Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can add video or audio file to text message on this device. First of all, go into Messages app. After that, select one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Files category, and over here you can select them right away. Click on one of those apps or tap on those two filters, audio and videos. You can also select those three lines at the top left corner and choose one of your sources, like audio. When you're ready, just hold your file that you wish to add, in my case this one. Then click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!